Hello friends, welcome to Tech Support Digital. Today I will show how to add my computer icon on desktop in Windows 10. Here is running my Windows 10 operating system. For do this, click in this start menu, then click settings. After that, click personalization, then click from the left menu themes, then the right area click desktop icon settings, then tick mark my computer, click OK. Now check, here is my computer showing. You can do this by another way. From the blank screen, right click mouse pointer, then click personalize. After that, click themes, click desktop icon settings, then tick mark the recycle bin, tick mark network icon also need for IP setup or internet settings, then click apply, click OK. Please check all three icon is showing there. Thanks all.